if a student has done no wrong, they accept the idea that, they have to find some solution for it. So we will continue to press, and I would very much hope that the Canadian system is fair in that regard.
Union External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has assured that the Ministry of External Affairs will assist approximately 700 Indians who are facing deportation due to a case involving fake documents. The majority of these individuals are from Punjab and have claimed that they were deceived by their immigration agent who sent them to Canada with forged college admission offer letters. The matter came to light in March when these individuals who had completed their studies and found jobs applied for permanent residency. They were informed by the Canadian Border Security Agency that their college admission letters were fake, leading to the deportation orders. To protest against these deportations, hundreds of Indian students, primarily from Punjab, have been staging an indefinite sit-in outside the CBSA headquarters since May 29. They argue that it would be unjust to expel them from the country where they completed their studies, worked for 5 years and lived legally. Most of these students arrived in Canada on study visas between 2017 and 2018. The students had obtained admission offer letters from a Jalandhar-based agent named Brijesh Mishra, who is currently facing a police case and is missing. Mishra opened a firm called Education Migration Services and charged each student a significant amount of money to process their documents. He provided offer letters for the affected students and then asked them to switch to a different college upon arrival in Canada, citing various reasons. Some of the affected individuals realized the fraudulent nature of their offer letters only after receiving deportation notices from CBSA. They were unaware of the forgery because students generally trust their agents, and Canada allows for switching colleges after arrival, making the agent's explanation seem plausible. Experts have identified two main reasons for the forgery of offer letters. Firstly, reputable institutions' offer letters are subject to less scrutiny, making it easier for them to go unnoticed. Secondly, an offer letter from a prestigious college enhances the success rate of obtaining a visa compared to private colleges. Regarding actions taken, Mishra's agency license has been cancelled and the Jalandhar police have filed a case against him and two accomplices. Additionally, investigations are being conducted into the involvement of Canadian embassy officials who granted visas based on these fraudulent letters.
Students who the Canadians say did not study in the college which they should have studied, and when they applied for a work permit, they got into difficulties. From the very start, we, meaning the Foreign Ministry here, as well as our High Commission and the consulates in Canada, have taken up their case. And our point is that, look, the students studied in good faith. If there were people who misled them, the culpable parties should be acted against. It is unfair to punish a student who undertook their education in good faith. So the latest report that I got, in fact only this morning, was that I think yesterday the Canadian Prime Minister also kind of made a statement in the House of Commons there, and the Minister also tweeted something, and they have also been talking to our High Commission out there. I think the Canadians also accept that, it would be unfair. I mean, if a student has done no wrong, and I don't know if all the cases are the same. I mean, there is a granularity about it which, sitting at this distance, neither you or I can judge. If a student has done no wrong, they accept the idea that they have to find some solution for it. So we will continue to press, and I would very much hope that the Canadian system is fair in that regard.